Hi guys, I'm Zahid Sheikh and many of you know me from a YouTube channel called Zero Float. I'm here to talk about my course on Primavera P6 that I have launched on Udemy. Why should we use Primavera P6 or any other project management tools? Let me give you 5 good reasons. First, it helps you create and set up a baseline schedule for the project. Second, it helps easily plan and manage construction and milestone activities. Number 3, it reduces the risk of schedule overrun. Number 4, it gives clear visibility of what's going on in the project. And finally, number 5, a cost-loaded schedule will help you project cash flow for the entire project duration. Let's talk about the course now. What are you going to learn in this course? We are not only going to learn the ABC of the construction project, but also ABC of Primavera P6. This is the course that I've launched on Udemy. Primavera P6 industry-based training, basic to advanced. And the theme itself is set as Learn Primavera P6 by creating a construction schedule right from scratch. Around 3,000 students have already enrolled to this really valuable course, and this course have received a 4.2 rating. You learn Primavera P6 basic to advanced. You learn understanding of construction activities using visualizations, understanding of construction sequence, and last but not the least, the most important part is performing analysis of the schedule that you will create in this course. This course has received 4 to 5 stars from all of the students and professionals who have enrolled to this particular valuable course. I had launched this course around September of 2019, and if you see this graph, the students and professional enrollment has been continuously increasing for this course. When you enroll to this course and you complete it, you will be asked a particular sets of questions. And if you take a look at this graph that we're looking at, almost 90 to 100% of the students who have enrolled to this course has given positive feedback for this particular course. If you take a look at this, you can clearly see that it is not limited to any country. It has reach of over 109 countries and it is running pretty successfully. Hope you guys enroll to this course. See you inside.